Hello everyone. Welcome to the BISP Solutions. Today's topic is data load using trial balance template. So, we'll yes in yesterday's session we tried to download the journal template and uploaded our journal entries, and basically we use the journal template in DM and uploaded through DM. Now we'll download the trial balance template, and using that template we'll upload our data through data management in TRCS application. So let's see how to do that. So under workflow tab, the data load workbench, here you can see the download template button. So click on the trial balance. Now you can see your trial balance template has been downloaded. So basically here you need to fill in first column all the accounts. In second column, center means you need to fill in the entity. Here you need to give the description, and here current month means the amount, and your trial balance should be 0. Okay, so I have already filled the accounts which I want to load, and this is my entity, and these are the amounts, and the sum of these amount is 0. So there are some negative and some positive amounts. Now we'll upload this trial balance template which we have downloaded through DM. So we'll create the import format first. My source is file, my target is TRCS, which is already being created and we picked up directly from there. Our file type will be delimited numeric data, and save. Now define your import format mappings. So my account is in first column, entity in second column, and amount in fourth column. Now we'll define all the remaining columns and use the previously used field number. From currency we'll use it as 2. We'll define the jurisdiction, movement and multi-gap as well. Okay, so it is saved. Now we'll go to creating location. IMF is trial load, trial data. Source is file, target is TRCS, and save. Now we'll go to the workflow tab and do the data load mapping. Select the location and the period. Categories actual. Now start doing the data load mappings for the dimensions. So account is like to like mapping. Similarly, now configuration, I'll define it as no configuration. Data source as managed data. Entity, I'll define it as star to star. For currency, I'll be using entity currency as my target value. For identifier, I'll be using as no identifier. Now for intercompany, we'll be using intercompany as no intercompany. And give the rule name and save. Now the last three will be system defined. New jurisdiction as no jurisdiction, movement as no movement, and multi-gap as local gap, and save. Now move to data load rule. And so create DLR. Choose the import format. Target cube is console, and save. Now you need to upload here only, instead of as we did yesterday, like the journal will upload it by clicking on load journal. Here you need to upload your trial balance. Save, and you need to execute it. Import from source and export to target. Now wait for some time to finish the export process. Import and validate is successful. Now you need to wait for the export to finish it up. Still it is processing, the rule is running. Meanwhile, I'll set up for this, I'll set up the smart view so that we can see the result. Okay, now you can see the import, validate and export is successful. Now if you match with the file, now 13100, if you see in account, so you'll be having 10,000. Similarly, if you check for 13400, 80,000. Okay, now if you check for this 13601, you have minus 75,000. Now if we check for 14720, minus 45896. All right, and let's check the last one, that is 21201. So minus 81248. All right, so now this has been uploaded successfully. Now you can see your trial balance. So in this way you can so there are 24 records. You can see the number of records, and here also you can count the number of records. So count is 24. Okay, so in this way, using the trial balance template, you can load the trial balance data through TM in TRCS application. So this is all for today. If you have any doubt, please contact BISP Solutions. Thank you for your time.